What's up, my YT homies? It's your girl Alethea coming back in with another video using my Colored Raine Juicy Boost Pressed Pigment booklet. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then please continue to watch. So the first thing we're going to do is use this sweet potato mango for our transition color. This is a great way to make sure all your colors mesh and mend, you know, when you're using the transition color. And this sweet potato mango is the perfect transition color in the palette. Now, if you have not gotten this palette, I don't know what you're waiting on, because I'm sure they have more and they're not sold out, because this is an absolutely gorgeous palette. So now we want to deepen up our crease, and we're going to use this apple strawberry, this like red looking color that is just great to deepen up that crease, and it really complements that sweet potato mango. So yes, this is what we're doing to darken up our crease, and we're just going to take that and blend it until we get it just the way we would like to get that color. Deepen up our outer corner and add just a little bit of smokiness to this color. We're going to use Kale Yeah. It's like a deep dark green color, and as you can see, I'm trying to get this color just the way I want it, but this brush was not the T, so I had to change brushes to get this color blended and put in this outer corner just the way I want it, because the colors can be all there, they can be everything you want, but if you have the wrong brush, it's just not going to come out right. Brushes are a very, very important part of the makeup process. Alright, so now we want to get some concealer or some eyeshadow base, whatever it is you use. We want to put that on our lid so that this other color for our lid can just pop the way we want to pop it. So I just put some concealer on my eyelid. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this lemon wheatgrass on my lid. It's like a yellow champagne gold shimmery color. I love it. It almost kind of blends like a chartreuse looking color, and it really complements that Kale Yeah color. Of course, you got to go back in and use that original crease color just to mesh it all together. Once I get through lining my eyes, I want to go ahead and put the same colors on my bottom, on my waterline that I put on my lid. Just the same Kale Yeah and then that lemon wheatgrass up in the inner corner. And here I am using the Mcgrath Dark Star Mascara. Girl, if you do not have the Mcgrath Dark Star Mascara, you are missing out. Now, I am going to put some eyelashes on today, but when I tell you this Mcgrath mascara is the tea all by itself, girl, you better get you some. And if you're new to Mcgrath, I'm not even a sponsor of Mcgrath, of course, but I'm telling you, get you a coupon code and go and cop this mascara. Now, these are my favorite lashes at the time. Those Ardell, those are really natural. Get them off Amazon. Girl, go get you some. So once I put my lashes on, we're all put together. I'm going to do lips off camera, and then I'm going to come back, whop, bam, bam, and I'm going to show you the final look. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, this quick little tutorial, and I do hope you'll stay tuned and continue to watch. And make sure if you're new here, you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And to my oldie but goodies, I thank you so much for coming back. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. And so until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye!